Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again, Chi Natural Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to use belly lift to reduce that belly fat and just keep in shape, the arm fat, the side fat, and just keep in shape. This remedy is not a joke. It works. Just keep on watching. If this is not like what you're interested in, keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time guys, let's just get into the video. Once again. So the first thing we have here is our bear leaf. So I'll bring my pan and I will take like 6 or 7 of it. Then I'll add 2 cups of water. So guys, I'm making it 2.5 cups of water. Next I have here is my green tea. So I'll add green tea and I'll add this green tea, ginger and orange. But the first thing I'll have here is green tea. If you don't have this, you can go ahead and use your 2 bags of green tea. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on the red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just keep on watching. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to drink this for better results. I'll just drop the 1 bag of green tea. Then the next I'm going to drop a mix with ginger and orange, okay? Green tea, ginger and orange. But you don't have it, this one is enough, okay? Then I'll just add it. And I'm gonna boil it for 10 good minutes, okay? See you guys in 10 minutes. So you can see it's boiling this 10 minutes now. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and allow it to cool down for 10. So guys, this is the tea. After 10 minutes, I boil it for 10 minutes and I allow it to cool down for 10 minutes, okay? You can see it's still hot. So right now I'm gonna use my strainer. Green tea is loaded with bioactive compounds that have various beneficial effects on health. Green tea is high in antioxidants and also help to reduce harmful free radicals within the body. Green tea contains beneficial compounds that can help to boost your immune system and ward off illness like cold and flu. Guys, there's a lot of benefit in green tea. Just go ahead and Google it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now the next I'm gonna add is my honey. I'll just add 1 tablespoon of honey. And everything, I'll make sure it's well combined. Just add it straight to the cup. So this is going to remove that belly fat, arm fat, side fat and just keep you in shape. This is the tea they cannot go wrong with. It's something natural that will just keep you in shape, and it's not only for weight loss or belly fat, it's also for well-being. It's going to take away all diseases from your body and just make you to be healthy. Go ahead and try it and come to the comment section below and give me your feedback. So guys, if you are using it for weight loss, you drink it 2 times a day. Drink it in the morning when you wake up before food, give it 1 hour before you eat your food, and you drink it at night before going to bed. That's the last thing you will drink before going to bed. So if you're using it for well-being, to take away disease from your body, drink it once a day. Either you drink it in the morning or you drink it at night. It's your choice. So guys, hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.